Hi, it's Sarah from Amaterasu Beauty. Here's a quick little video on how to apply a shimmer eye pencil. So today I don't have any eyeshadow on. I have a little espresso liquid eyeliner with a massive length mascara, some brow liners. I use Brunette towards the end, and then Taupe liner on the front end, a little cheek color and sheer lip. But this is my game changer every morning, especially when I feel tired. So here it goes. What I do is I apply this pencil on the lower bottom corner. So as you can see, you see how this side is already like illuminating? Now there is no huge glitter because I'm not a fan of huge glitter for every day, especially day look. This. See how it just brightens my eyes? The other thing you can do, and this is a quick lift, right under the brow bone, and then use your ring finger, blend. Okay, and blend. See how it adds highlight? Next, tip of your nose. And again, ring finger, blend. Right there. And a little bit chin. Now in this video, I'm using the white shimmer, but this pencil also comes with the gold shimmer, which works just as well. So I would suggest that you change it up and play it and see which one you prefer. Sometimes I use the gold in the evening, but I have done it in the daytime. So have fun with it.